Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Let's talk about Jasmy, see what is happening with the price, and of course, what is yet to come. You guys are killing it with the support. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates. So, pretty much same thing happened as to what we discussed yesterday. The market did go down even more. As I've said to you guys before, I know some people don't like accepting the fact. Well, you need to. The market is looking bearish in the immediate term, and that is due to what's happening with the traditional market. I think the next few weeks are going to highlight as to how this market really reacts to the stock market, and I think we're going to hear more things regarding that stock market drop, which again happened over the day of Friday. But obviously we're in a weekend and markets are closed, but we're going to, I'm pretty sure, hear something regarding this going into this upcoming week ahead of us. So as I say that, it's going to be really interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts to that. We're still in a bull market. Nothing is going to stop us. We might see a little bit of a shakiness, which we are seeing right now, but I do think market is going to rebound. Again, my own personal opinion. Obviously, time is only going to tell, but looking at Jasmy down about 5.6% on the daily time frame. Looking at it on the weekly time frame, it is down as pretty much everything else is as well, down about 25% across the board. But let's take a look at what's happening with the price. Before I do that, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So anyhow, if you're looking at the price, 2.4 cents down in all three comparatives. If you like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, whatever the case may be, it's down in every single comparative. So is the entire market. Market cap at around 1.15 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 173.9 million. Looking at the dominance index, we did see the dominance index actually go higher than last month's high. So of course, pretty much the goal that the dominance is trying to shoot for at this point is to go back above the yearly highs, and at the rate it's going, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually get above there. Looking at the Bitcoin price, on the other hand, Bitcoin actually did retest 60K support line, which of course in return got the dominance even going higher because uncertainty increased, more fear across the board. When that does tend to happen, we do tend to see, dominance going up higher. And yes, uncertainty has not gone down at all. I think it's going to even increase more going into Monday morning. And if we lose this support, which we haven't so far, but if we lose this Bitcoin support, I think a $57,900 Bitcoin price could be the next target, in the books. Anyways, let's take a look at how Jasmy is holding and reacting to the overall market momentum. Again, we're looking at the daily time frame. You're looking at the price sitting at literally 2.4 cents right now. Obviously, the upwards trajectory that we're in, I spoke to you guys about this yesterday. It has been invalidated because we went lower than the 2.53 cents. Right now, though, we're still finding us hanging at that same exact support level where we were yesterday. But when Bitcoin actually did go lower and actually retested the 60K support line, you did see Jasmy go down to that 2.3 cents mark, but we actually held at that price point quite well. You can see this for yourself. We retested there. We do have significant amount of support, and the overall market did see a little bit of a bounce from that 60K level, and of course Jasmy is going to be no exception. Jasmy did go up about 5% since then, but again, as the price now is trying to go towards the upside, there is significant amount of resistance coming in its way. If we're able to break out of this key resistance, you might be able to see Jasmy reclaim the 2.52 cents, but if it's wanting to reclaim the July 31st price points, it needs a long way. So pretty much you need to be looking at what happens with Bitcoin. But yeah, the 2.53 cents, another 5%, move towards the upside. You can make like a short-term gain, but the broader market right now is still on the bearish end of the spectrum. So so far so good. We'll take that, I guess. It's holding okay compared to the overall market right now, but still, the momentum is still quite bearish for the space, and I do think I am very optimistic. And again, I know you guys know I'm very realistic on this channel, unbiased. I think we do see Bitcoin going lower. I personally think that. And if you want to just look at it from a potential retest down to the 58K, let's say the market dominance goes up higher, what happens to Jasmy? Jasmy could actually go down to 2.2 cents and potentially even lose that support and retest that 1.9 cents again. I know no one wants to hear this right now, but that is the reality. And that is an additional drop of about 20%. And like I said in my other updates, if my market analysis update as well, if Bitcoin drops down to July 5th lows, which is around 53K, then yes, be ready for these types of moves. Again, obviously no one wants that, and that's why I said it's really, really important to see how the market reacts this upcoming week. It's really going to be important to see how the traditional market reacts as well. But we need to be prepared, and this is why I had been telling you guys, over the course of the last 1.5 week, guys, if you are making profits and if you picked up Jasmy around the 1.9 cents, lock those profits in, and the ones that did, good on you, you deserve it. But yeah, that is how I'm currently looking at the price of Jasmy. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow up in Crypto ZX, and peace out.